Alright, so this is a recording audio on basic warping video. So we're just trying to get now a microphone signal into Ableton. So go into options, preferences. As you can see, I've already set it up because my Snag at video capture doesn't read my microphone while I'm using it with Ableton. So click here to audio input device and select the microphone. And here I've got the speakers which my headphones are connected, so that's currently coming through my headphones as well. I've set my sample rates lower, as low as I can without it crackling and the sounds diminishing, and just for the latency that happens when recording. So that's that. Now these in your tracks are your ins and outs, so I've set my track to read from an external in, which is my microphone. It's coming out of track 2, it's reading. It's on auto at the moment, so I'll explain these. The in is just reading the input from the microphone. The off, when I switch it, you probably shouldn't be able to hear me because you're hearing my voice through Ableton. So now I turn to auto, it switches to the input because it's reading that there's sound coming from the microphone and it needs to read that, where if I'm playing back my sound that I've recorded, it will automatically turn to off and play back your sound, and you won't be able to hear your microphone over the audio that's playing. And my audio is getting sent to the master, which means this will affect my sound. So that's that. So now I've got a drum loop here that I'll just play quickly, and you can hear the click playing in the background. So I'll be recording something crappy over that. Put the click up here, so you press this, turn on and off. Press stop to stop playing the click. I don't want to hear it right at the moment. I've got a 1 bar count in, so when I start recording, it'll hear 4 of these clicks, 1 bar, and then I'll start recording. So it gives you a bit of time to get into your little groove and get prepared. So I'll try to record something over this now, so I'll press play so I can hear that. Record arm is enabled. I won't be able to hear anything if record arm isn't enabled. Hello? Oh wait, this is... Oh, you can... Oh, a bit obvious. Oop, that makes that a bit obvious there. So let's try record something. Just hit the record button up here while your record button's enabled. And let's try go. So you can see I recorded about 9.5 bars there, so I'm not going to use all that, so I'll keep it down to an 8, so the loop is at a 4 bar repeat. And hit space bar to stop recording, that's what I did there, and then space bar to hear it. It'll cut my voice out because it's on auto. So that is pretty much the basics of getting sound into Ableton there. It's pretty simple. So now you can see a couple of these are out of time. So what I'll do, I know I want these 8. I'll get rid of the rest, so you crop sample, and now I can't see the rest, the other bar and a half I didn't need. So you can see here some of these out of time. So what I'll do, I can warp these into 2. So I'll zoom in. And I'll create a marker there. Maybe we'll zoom in more to this first one. I'll just do this one, it might be a bit easier. I'll nick that off. What am I doing? And then here we go, it's found the start of the transient. in, and then we'll drag this in. And then I can do it again to this one over here. Drag. Or what you can do, so that you can manually move them all the time, or you can go quantize, or go quantize settings, go, okay, or maybe we'll go current grid. Oops, what has that done? There we go. So you can see it's moved all of them up to the grid here. They're pretty much spot on time now. So that's pretty much warping. So what I'll try and explain it slightly better as well. So what I've done with the warping here, you have to create a marker before and after to then drag it. So I'll just get rid of a few of these. So you just double click to get rid of them. So that I'll leave that marker there and leave this. So you create, these are like your boundaries, I guess. So anything in between will be stretched and nothing else moves. Where if I take this out, the more I take out, the more it'll stretch with it. So this area down here stretches all the way down with it. So you got to make sure you put your kind of boundary markers in and then stretch the in between, or just quantize and it does it for you. Turn down the crop, and I guess that's about it.